Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by connecting the Space Mouse and confirming drivers are active. This step lets your system recognize 6 degrees of freedom. Once done, open your 3D app and enable controller input so movements map correctly. Position your hand with your wrist supported and fingers ready. This reduces fatigue. Now perform a gentle push to test pan and a twist to test rotate. You want smooth movement without jumping. Make small adjustments to sensitivity in the app while practicing short manipulations. You now refine how the Space Mouse moves your scene by adjusting translation and rotation sensitivity. This ensures 1 centimeter of hand motion equals an appropriate camera shift in model units. Once done, map the device buttons to frequently used commands like fit, focus, and undo so you keep your hands on the controller. Use combined inputs, push while twisting, for controlled orbiting and panning simultaneously, and practice speed modulation, short nudges for precision, longer pushes for fast moves. Make sure to save your profile. You finish by integrating the Space Mouse into your normal workflow. Assign view presets, save camera positions, and use the device for review sessions to speed navigation. Once done, alternate between precise edits with keyboard plus mouse and broad navigation with the controller to maximize efficiency. Make sure to export or back up your device profile so settings transfer to other workstations. If you encounter drift or lag, recalibrate the controller. Reboot the host and reinstall the driver. This results.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.